Best and most popular GMRS HTs for 2026. I'm going to give you my top 7 picks for handheld radios for GMRS users. Let's go. We talk about the best HTs and the best mobile radios and the best base station radios and the best Meshtastic stuff on this channel. So if that interests you and you want to get started with any of these services, please click on the like and subscribe button below. So today we're talking about the 7 top GMRS HTs. GMRS is a United States service. The bands and frequencies are available in other countries under different names, but in the USA we call it GMRS, General Mobile Radio Service. For $35, you can get a license for 10 years that covers your entire family that lives with you. So it's very easy to get on GMRS. It's one band. It's 462 to 467 megahertz, UHF frequency, great for close quarters, campsites, in your neighborhood, up and down the street, across town if you have a repeater system with GMRS has access to, and stuff like that. So if you're interested in GMRS, check out other videos on YouTube about it. Today we're talking about the best 7 HTs for 2026, and I'm going to go in no specific order except for price. A lot of these HTs are very fully functional and fully capable and have extended range receive outside of what is just the GMRS band, and it kind of drives the price up here. So this first one here is the Radioddity GM30 GMRS radio. It's about $25 at the Radioddity website. You can also save a discount. I have a coupon for Radioddity, $15 off of $65 on the website. I'll put a coupon in the description below, and I will update a blog post for this video when this video goes live on YouTube. This has a 2500 milliamp hour battery, 1,000 memory channels, which includes 30 GMRS simplex and repeater channels. It does have wide receive. It receives VHF and UHF, NOAA weather, FM radio, airband, and the 220 and 350 megahertz bands. It's repeater capable. It has 8-band receive, color display in the Pro model. It's waterproof options, great value, entry level with a solid range, and it is our lowest priced radio on the list today. Next on the list is the Baofeng UV5G. This used to be called the UV5X, I think it was, and this is kind of the same radio. It's pretty much the same radio as the Radioddity GM15 Pro. It can range in price between $25 and $45. You see it is $28 on Amazon at the time of this recording. Can come with anywhere from an 1800 to 2500 milliamp hour battery. It's got 200 custom channels, 200 memory channels, 30 GMRS, plus the 200 custom scanner receive only channels. So not nearly as many channels as the previous Radioddity version that we talked about. It does have VHF, UHF, NOAA weather, and FM broadcast receive, and it is generally considered to be a budget king. This is a single entry on Amazon right here. I found a 2-pack on there for like $36, so it brought the price down per unit to like $18 each. So this could arguably be one of the lesser expensive HTs on the list today. It is programmable with Chirp software, which is very easy to use. Repeater capable, wideband, wide availability, very available. You can buy them in many places, including Amazon and eBay and Walmart, and they're affordable in packs, like I just mentioned. So that's the Baofeng UV5G. Next is this TID Radio TD-H8 10-watt GMRS HT radio. Now, 10 watts is fine. Some people don't want to hold a 10-watt radio right next to their head if they're keyed up like this, but you can put an external mic on it and keep it down on your belt or something like that. 10 watts is fine. We're allowed up to 50 watts on GMRS with base station and mobile radios, I should say. So a 10-watt HT is totally legal, totally fine in there. This one used to range between the price of $60 and $90, but you can see they've got it on sale right here for $35.99 at the TID Radio website. They just came out with a brand new T9 that I'm doing some research on, and I'm kind of thinking that they're discontinuing this one. This has been one of the more popular GMRS radios of 2026, according to my research, but it might be on its way out. I don't know. That's just a gut feeling. I don't know. This is the 3rd gen TD-H8. It has 199 memory channels, including 30 GMRS channels and NOAA weather channels, plus you can put some custom channels in there for repeaters. It comes with a 2500 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery and is USB-C chargeable. It has 8-band receive, including airband, AM and FM band, and VHF, UHF. It's up to 10 watts. It's unlockable on some bands. Bluetooth programming, rugged, strong performer for the power and range. So you can program it with Bluetooth app from your phone and go from there. But it's a solid choice today that might not be around much longer. Again, I'm not sure, just kind of a gut feeling I have because I was reading up on the TD-H9 just now. But the TD-H8 is what's on the list today. Next is the HA1G from Alliance, which is a Redivis subsidiary. It ranges between $50 and $80, although right now on Amazon they have it priced at $46.79. That's a really good price there. Comes with a 2800 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery, USB-C chargeable, has 256 channels. 30 of them are the GMRS channels that are pre-programmed, plus 220 custom channels. It does have dual band receive for VHF and UHF receive only. It's IP67 waterproof, rugged for outdoors and outdoor usage and camping and fishing and hunting areas. Long standby time, up to 4 days, and it's easy to set up out of the box. This is one of the easiest radios to program from the front panel if you want to input some of your own VHF listening frequencies or GMRS repeater frequencies. HA1G from Redivis Alliance on Amazon today for about $47. Now, if you're going to set up a GMRS base station or put a GMRS, like a 25 or 50 watt powered GMRS full powered radio in your vehicle, I recommend using Mezzi and Poloni Coax. Mezzi and Poloni Coax is the sponsor of today's video. You can always save a 10% discount on everything at the link in the description below with the coupon code of HR2 Cables. HR2 Cables get you discounts off of their coax, their connectors, their adapters, their tools to create your own coax and whatnot, and all the pre-built stuff they offer. So thank you, Mezzi and Poloni, for supporting the channel. Great coax for anything VHF, UHF, ham radio, marine band, and especially GMRS. Next on the list is Better Safe Radio. Now, you can always get a 7% discount off of everything at bettersaferadio.com with the coupon code of HR2All7. It's not a sponsored ad, it's just a permanent coupon that I have that's available to everybody. This is their flagship GMRS HT, UV9GX Plus, GMRS two-way radio, multi-band scanner, ultimate for your recreation and safety emergency ops. Usually it ranges between like 137 and 157. It's on sale right now at the time of this recording. You can get it in yellow or black, so you can get a high visibility one, or you just get the black one that's a little bit more gray, man. Okay. The great thing about these radios that come from Better Safe Radio is that they come with a pre-programmed code plug or pre-programmed channels. Over 900 channels will appear in this radio when you receive it that are already in there for you to use and listen to, including all of the GMRS channels, obviously. This radio has a 999, 1,000 memory channels. It comes with a 2200 milliamp hour battery, lithium-ion battery, 7-band receive. A lot of these radios we talk about today have 1,000 channels and multiple ways to receive, but they don't have anything that comes pre-programmed in them except for the GMRS channels. This radio comes with ham radio channels pre-programmed, marine band, government frequencies, air band, all kinds of things that you can monitor and listen to, and depending on your area, you might hear activity on certain channels here and there, and then move to another area, and the activity you hear is on totally different channels. So a great value to these Better Safe radios that come pre-programmed with all these channels. This is their flagship radio, the UV9GX Plus, but they have a lesser expensive option here, the KG916 Plus, on sale right now for $67. Again, use the coupon code of HR2All7. Updated 400 pre-programmed channels with a super heterodyne UHF receiver, emergency GMRS radio, so not as many memory channels in this one, only 400 instead of the 1,000 that we're seeing on the other one, but a lesser expensive option if you're looking for something a little bit cheaper, a little bit smaller and whatnot. Still a great option from Better Safe Radio, who makes an excellent product and, like I said, pre-programs their radios with multiple frequencies, not just the 30 GMRS channels that most everything else comes with. Next is the KG935G Plus GMRS radio from Waxon over here at buy2wayradios.com. Ranges between $100 and $150. They've got it up at their website right now for $120. Anywhere from a 2,000 to 3,000 milliamp hour battery. Multiple battery options are available for it. The number of channels in it, it has 999 memory channels, maximum output of 5.5 watts, has NOAA weather alerts and NOAA weather channels. It's analog only, repeater capable, 2,600 milliamp hour battery on this one that we're looking at on the screen right now from buy2wayradios.com. Waxon's a reliable brand. It's easy to program, it's durable, and it's popular for no-nonsense comms right here. This 935G, there's a ham radio version of this that's a dual-band ham radio. It's just a beautiful display on this radio. I really like this. And it is more durable. You can pound it on the table and you can feel how durable it is. And it is a great radio if that's in your budget for GMRS radio today. So, and the great thing about GMRS is all the channels are the same. So you can usually have 3 branded radios and set them all to channel 3. They'll all talk to one another. So that's a great thing there. The last one we're going to talk about today is another one from Waxon over here at Buy2Way Radios again. The KG Q10G. Now this radio is the most expensive one. It sells between $2 and $220. You can see it's $219 right now on the Buy2Way radios, or $219.99, pretty much $220 on the Buy2A Radio's website. It has 4 colors to choose from. It comes with a larger battery than most, 3,000 milliamp hours, USB-C charging. It still has the 999 memory channels, 30 GMRS plus 8 repeaters plus a bunch of other receive channels. It has extensive receive range, which is why it's more expensive than anything else we've talked about today. Extensive airband receive, VHF, UHF, FM radio, NOAA weather radio, NOAA weather channels, CB radio receive, and it receives between 714 and 999 megahertz. So if the police and fire personnel in your area are on an 800 megahertz trunking system on analog, not on digital, it won't work on digital, DMR P25, but if they're on an analog system, it's very possible to receive them on this radio because it does analog receive from 714 to 999 megahertz. You can receive all the 900 megahertz traffic from ham radio and commercial band radio that's up there. You can hear all the noise on Meshtastic up there if you tune over to 906 megahertz or 915 megahertz. And it has a very wide, this is the widest receive radio that we're going to talk about on the list today. It's IP67 waterproof. It has GPS. It's got a high quality receiver in it. It got different color themes and it's a premium build and durability. Good name from Waxon or Oshang radios, as they say it. They've been around for a number of years, and they make a really good product. So those are the top 7 or 8. Top 8 if you include the 2 different models from Better Safe Radio. Those are the top 8 most popular, most widely used, most talked about radios, GMRS handheld radios that are being used in 2026 right now after doing some extensive research through AI and through Reddit and through some YouTube videos and a few other blog posts I found. But what are you using for GMRS? What HT are you using for GMRS? And how do you compare it to one of these 7 or 8 that I just named? Do you think you might upgrade somewhere? Do you think you might downgrade because you got to buy 2 or 3 more radios for the kids and get one of the lesser expensive ones? Totally fine with that. They'll all talk to one another. So let me know in the comments below what you think about these 7 or 8 picks, and let me know what you're using yourself. If you enjoyed this video, check these out up here. YouTube thinks you want to watch those next, and we'll catch you guys next time